Listen carefully. Every great empire can fall. And today, this story can change your life. If you want real motivation through history, subscribe to my channel, JA Info Urdu. Because these stories are not just history, these are lessons for you. Now listen, the fall of the Roman Empire in 476 AD is not just an old story. It is a warning. And it is also a powerful lesson for your future. Rome was once the strongest power in the world. Its roads were perfect. Its armies were unbeatable. Its cities were rich. People believed Rome would last forever. But it didn't. Why does this matter to you today? Because many people think the same about their youth, their strength, their time. They think, I will work later. I have time. I am safe. Rome thought that too. At first, Rome was strong because people were disciplined. Leaders worked hard. Soldiers trained every day. Citizens believed in responsibility. But slowly, something changed. People became lazy. Leaders became corrupt. They fought for power, not purpose. Comfort replaced discipline. Rome did not fall in one day. It fell little by little. From the inside, imagine a young Roman boy. He sees old buildings. He hears stories of past glory. But his present is weak. Food is expensive. Jobs are gone. Soldiers are tired. Leaders argue instead of fixing problems. That boy feels confused. He feels lost. He feels scared about the future. Just like many young people today. The enemy did not destroy Rome first. Rome destroyed itself. This is where the lesson begins. Strength without discipline is dangerous. Success without responsibility is temporary. Comfort without effort leads to collapse. Rome had everything. But it forgot one thing. Character. When people stop learning, they fall. When leaders stop serving, they fall. When individuals stop improving, they fall. This is not only about an empire. This is about you. If you stop working on yourself, you fall. If you stop learning English, skills, knowledge, you fall. If you live only for comfort, you fall. History is honest. It does not lie. Rome teaches us that greatness must be protected every day. With effort, with discipline, with purpose. Here's the mindset shift you need. You are your own empire. Your mind is your capital. Your habits are your army. Your discipline is your defense. If your habits are weak, your future is weak. If your mindset is lazy, your dreams collapse. But there is hope. Rome fell. But you don't have to. You can learn from history instead of repeating it. Believe that your daily actions matter. Small effort today builds strength tomorrow. Consistent learning beats talent without work. Action is the key. Not motivation alone. Action every day. Discipline is not punishment. It is protection. When you wake up early, you protect your future. When you practice English daily, you protect your confidence. When you work when others rest, you build an empire inside you. Now ask yourself, are you building your empire or slowly destroying it? Are your habits making you stronger or weaker? If Rome can fall, what about your excuses? Feel this moment. You are alive. You have time. You have opportunity. Millions before you did not. Do not wait for collapse to wake up. Wake up now. Let history push you forward. Let this story burn your laziness. Let this lesson build your discipline. You are not small. You are not weak. You are not late. But only if you act. Start today. Protect your empire. Build your future with discipline and belief. Because history remembers those who rise and forgets those who sleep. Great people were not born great. History made them. If you want that motivation, subscribe to JA Info Urdu today. And remember this line. Empires fall when discipline dies, but you rise when discipline begins.